on brand evolution. Professor Hitesh Manocha graduated from Delhi College of Engineering and post-graduated from IIM Ahmedabad. He has vast industry experience of more than 3 decades. He is one of the renowned faculty of marketing and well known for his unique teaching style. He will be guiding you throughout your 2 years of pre-GDM program. Let's welcome Professor Manocha. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. I think I've already been welcomed by all of you, and let me say first of all a formal good afternoon to all of you. Right? So मेरी request होगी to all of you, please switch on your videos ताकि आपकी शक्लें और थोपड़े मुझे याद रहें थोड़े. Otherwise, we will not remember, places, and that way the interaction also becomes better. Am I audible well? किसी को कोई issue तो नहीं है?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so what I'm going to discuss today is a story with you of a brand, and उसके थ्रू थोड़ा आपको मार्केटिंग का आइडिया देंगे कि अब जो आप 2 साल यहाँ पे आओगे, what you're going to be doing there, उसका एक glimpse आपको दिखाऊंगा. And the request is, do not allow me to have a monologue. मुझे भाषण मत देने देना ना. एक तो आप खाना खा के आए हो तो उसमें सोने के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं, इसलिए मेरे लिए और भी चैलेंज है आपको to keep you alive. So please participate and please interact. Any question, any doubt, anything, feel free to stop me and ask questions. Anything of that kind is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you, and
क्या बात है? तुम मसाला ले क्या बात है यार?
Oh, somebody has a issue, so request you to kindly please mute. Because everybody, typically just can mute. Anybody wants to speak can just unmute. So I don't want to take the trouble of calling people कि मैं को unmute करो. Let's maintain that discipline, and whosoever wants to speak just can unmute himself and speak. ठीक है? चलो. Shall I start? आपकी इजाजत है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you some practical life experience. पहले I want to make you understand कि what happens when we all are customers. हम लोग चीजें खरीदते हैं नहीं खरीदते हैं? Okay. So you buy many things every day, day in and day out, you buy many things. Okay. And as a customer, जब आप चीजें खरीदते हो, आप कैसे खरीदते हो? ये मैं आपको थोड़ा इसका glimpse दिखाना चाहता हूँ. We have a country which is of about 138 crore population, 140 crore population, right? And let's understand with the example कि हम as a customer कैसे हैं. To show you this example, all of you have seen this product, know it very well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये किसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? It's a common man's product.
Bicycle.
बिकती है नहीं बिकती है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does it sells well?
Yes.
We say it's a common man's vehicle. India में इसको हम नवाजते हैं. And I think it sells over this much every year. Right? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
You agree? Okay. So it's quite a successful product. I mean, we can find every people, riding a bicycle. It's a common man's mobility vehicle. जो एक आम आदमी इंडियन की है, उसकी है. It's a election symbol for some political party, etc. अच्छा. अब ये बताओ ये क्या है?
Bike.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. ठीक है, good. Are they successful?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आप लोग के
sir.
पास है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कितनी how many you sell in a year?
Yes, sir.
How many कितनी बिकती है इंडिया में? कोई आइडिया?
Around 2 crores.
Around 2 crores. Great. Yes, great. Incidentally, you must know that India is the largest market for bikes and perhaps bicycles also. They are the largest market of bikes. ठीक है? एक हुई bicycle, एक है bike. चलो. So, many of you own this,
Yes, sir.
or you own a scooter thing.
Yes,
अब
sir.
ये बताओ ये क्या है?
So moped.
ये क्या होती है? What is this?
Motor.
What is this?
So it's a combination of bike and cycle board.
Great यार. मतलब इसमें फायदा क्या है इसका? What is the use of this product?
If petrol goes out, you can also pedal.
पेट्रोल से भी चला लो, बोर हो गए तो इसको
Pedal कर लो.
You can use
Pedal
it
कर
as
लो.
a bicycle.
You can use it as a bicycle. You agree, Vibhuti?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
चलो. So बिकती अच्छी है. कितनी सेल है इसकी?
बहुत कम.
क्यों भाई?
बहुत कम.
क्यों?
Outdated हो गई है अब.
कमाल है. It is 2 in 1.
But it's outdated. आजकल
Note
bike
has
and scooty
that
ज़्यादा
power.
हैं.
It doesn't
Huh?
look good, sir. Looks पे भी depend करता है. I think vehicle के people also gives preference to looks of the vehicle.
तो इससे
नहीं.
better alternatives आ गए मार्केट में.
देखो तुम्हारे को साइकिल भी मिल रही है, स्कूटर भी मिल रही है, मतलब बाइक भी मिल रही है, साइकिल भी मिल रही है, और तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
Sir, it's not branded.
अरे ब्रांडेड अगर मैं बोलूं हीरो
TVS की है भाई.
ये भी
Bike-
TVS की है.
हाँ तो फिर बोलो ये तो
अच्छी नहीं है और वो उस पे बैठ के चल लो तो फिर इज्जत खराब होती है सर ऐसा.
अच्छा आप मुझे बताओ हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ओन दिस मोपेड? सब एक दूसरे की तरफ देख रहे हैं.
My maternal grandfather owns it.
हाँ? Grandfather
small
owns it.
workers.
नहीं. How many of you own this moped?
No one.
Nobody, I guess.
अच्छा मैं एक और भी चीज पूछूंगा. अगर किसी के पास होगी भी वो बताएगा.
Yes, sir. I don't think
Never,
anyone
sir.
should feel shame.
क्यों?
No, sir.
क्यों?
जो reality है वो reality है, उसमें छुपाना है क्या?
अच्छा, will you come with your boyfriend or girlfriend on the PVR on this moped?
Well, that's different. If I have to tell, then I'll tell. But that's
प्रत्यक्ष
different.
कुछ कहना चाहता है.
सर आज के टाइम में ओला करके जा सकते हैं.
ओला जाएगा, इस पे नहीं आएगा.
सर घर वालों को इतनी दिक्कत, उन्होंने नेशनल लाइसेंस नहीं बनाने दिए तो मैं कहाँ से लूंगा?
नहीं लाइसेंस बनवा दूंगी. आओगे with your girlfriend?
No sir.
हैं?
No sir.
नहीं आएंगे. So the thing is, some of you, the answer which most of you gave was a predictable answer. वो कहेगा मैं रात को घर पे बाहर चला लूंगा जब कोई नहीं होगा. लेकिन I am not come with my boyfriend or girlfriend to a PVR on the moped. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So logically, if you think of a bicycle sells well, a motorcycle sells well, correct? Logically, you would have thought of, if I combine the two and give both of them into one, that should sell double. Right or wrong? Logically.
The sale of this product is more in urban areas as compared to the cities.
Maybe much, but you will not find much. But unfortunately, the sale of this product is virtually very low. आपको दिखती है कहीं?
सर मैंने देखा है बहुत सारी in my nani
मतलब
near my nani house.
But usually
Yeah,
small
so-
workers own this. Like
so
in a
so
small
so
worker.
so the percentage of sales of such products is very low.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Am I wrong?
You are right.
आप में से किसी
Right,
ने
sir.
आप में
Yes,
से
sir.
किसी ने चौड़ा होके नहीं कहा कि मेरे पास ये है. सबने कहा आपको कान में बता सकते हैं लेकिन यहां नहीं बताएंगे, राइट? Therefore, if you think that bicycle sells well, bike sells well, a moped logically giving twin benefits should sell better, but that is not the case. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि if you buy X, you buy Y, logically X plus Y is equal to Z, you will buy. Consumer will buy. ऐसा है?
No.
No.
No, sir.
So there is where it tells us.
maybe it didn't market.
Maybe, yes, you are right. You may be right. That tells us that the way we think of a product or customers, इतना सीधा नहीं है कस्टमर. तुम्हें लपेटने के लिए कितने पैंतरे मार्केटें चलाते हैं नहीं चलाते?
Yes, sir.
टू विन ओवर यू. और तुम भी उनको डांस कराते हो नहीं कराते हो? ये दे दो, वो दे दो, ये दे दो, आज ऑफर में क्या है? And therefore, it's not that easy as we think it to be, that a customer, if he buy X, he buys Y, he will buy Z also. The moped is a glaring example that what we assume about our customers, the way they're going to behave, it isn't true in that case, the way you think it. अगर कस्टमर इतने आसान होते कि if I would buy a scooter and I buy a bicycle and therefore they will buy a moped, तो मेरी और आपकी जरूरत होती यहाँ पर. Would you require MBAs for this? You would have programmed this in a computer. Yes or no? So the very fact that a customer, think again how you buy. A customer is not a very सीधी उंगली से खरीद लेता कि just assume करो अगर ये भी है, he will buy. A customer is a very, very smart and intelligent person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And customers are pretty intelligent, customers are pretty updated, and customers are very, very innovative. कैसे innovative? आपको इसकी झांकी दिखाऊं मैं? देखो. So we think that bicycle bought, moped, the bicycle bought, motorcycle bought, moped did not buy. But if a moped he doesn't buy, what is he going to buy? And that is where the inputs of marketing come in. Which is what we will perhaps be doing more in detail when your regular program starts in a fortnight or 10 days from now. And how do you create a portfolio of successful products which you are able to convince the customers? Because customers are pretty, as I use a word here, what I've used? Smart and
Innovative.
इसकी झांकी देखते हैं, इसकी झांकी तो देखें ना. हमारा कस्टमर पैसे कैसे स्पेंड करता है, उसको पैसे का पता है. मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. सपोज आप मोबाइल की ये रिचार्ज खरीदते हो, तो सबसे पहले क्या देखते हो?
What are the benefits you are getting from it?
और आपके मुंह से निकलता है, फटाक से निकलता है, इसमें आज डिस्काउंट कितना है, किसका ऑफर बेटर है. हाँ, लो नहीं, इवन ये पैकेज एयर वाला जो कॉल चार्जेस वाला, अच्छा जियो का लें, वोडाफोन लें, एयरटेल का लें, कहाँ सेल चल रही है, कहाँ पैकेट चल रहा है, कहाँ क्या चल रहा है, यस और नो?
Definitely.
देखते हो नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एयरलाइन की टिकट लेनी हो, फटाक से बोलते हो, अरे ये बता डिस्काउंट कहाँ बढ़िया चल रहा है,
Yes, sir.
चलता है नहीं?
Yes, sir. To get the maximum discount, we book earlier.
हाँ, और जैसे ही पीवीआर जाते हो, अंदर वो जाते हो, तो पेप्सी कितने की मिलती है? व्हाट डू यू गेट पेप्सी फॉर?
250.
हैं?
250.
कितने की?
Costly.
250.
280.
अच्छा, and the same Pepsi which you
250,
get.
280.
Okay, good.
The bachelors are always looking for the discount.
Okay, अब वही पेप्सी बाहर जब लेते हो कितने की मिलती है?
40.
50.
तो फिर वहाँ तो जब
40,
पीवी
50.
तो हाँ, तो जब पीवीआर जाते हो वही 250 के आगे 2 भी लग जाता है, तब आपके मुंह से क्यों नहीं निकलता?
Sir, depends upon the place where we are visiting.
प्लेस क्या मतलब?
People always want to create
Because we are not allowed to take
वो स्वर्ग है या
outside.
वो स्वर्ग है या वो स्वर्ग है या जन्नत है?
we think too much about other people seeing us. We want
Huh?
to create our image.
Why are you willing to pay 250 for
Sir,
something
because
which
of
is
the
just?
code of the conduct of that place.
क्या कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट मतलब है कि आप
As per उन्होंने restrict कर रखा है तो नहीं जा सकते.
Because we always want to impress other people.
अच्छा,
seeing
एक
us. We
काम
want to
कर
create an
सकते.
image for us.
Okay, you can do
Sir, for
all.
example, अगर हम
Yeah.
किसी मॉल में जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे क्लोथ्स की बार्गेनिंग नहीं करेंगे, बट अगर हम यही कहीं पर जा रहे हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल हम कमला नगर एंड ऑल जा रहे हैं, वहाँ हम बार्गेनिंग है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द प्लेस वहाँ पे.
Okay, so you can always go buy 50 rupees की पेप्सी, ब्रेक में डकार मार के अंदर आ जाओ.
So that's why
और वो
we think
आपको
about
साथ
other
पेप्सी
people.
पे नहीं रुकता, वो आपसे और भी पूछता है, would you like to eat something nachos? आपकी जेब फाड़ रहा होता है और आपके मन में गुस्सा आता है, इसको पकड़ के निचोड़ो अभी, लेकिन कुछ रोकता है.
Atmosphere.
क्या एटमॉस्फेयर?
How we present ourselves
A male
outside,
ego.
in society.
Image
अब ये ध्यान से देखो.
image consciousness.
इमेज. इफ यू वर अलोन यू वुड हैव सेड, बट टिपिकली क्या होता है, पार्टनर के साथ होते हो और वहां फिर की इमेज का मतलब क्या आप समझ जाते हो. नाउ सी ए पेप्सी अगर वही बार 200 रुपए की बेचता तो उसकी शायद गिच्ची पकड़ के पहले साले लूटता है. यस और नो?
Yes.
But you keep quiet when you buy in a PVR. So the consumer is very well understanding what he buys, what he is willing to pay for, depending on the market and the situation. यही Amazon पे आता है तो 6 साइट्स पे हम देखते हैं किसकी बेस्ट डील है. Yes or no? So we have to understand our consumers are very interesting, very fine. They act smartly. They know what they're going to do, how they do it. That is what is of interest to people and marketers like us. How smart they are, you can have a better glimpse. ये देखो. हम एक एक पैसे को वसूल करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं? कभी सोचा था लैपटॉप इस तरह से भी यूज हो सकता है?
No, sir.
Indians can do anything.
हाँ?
Indians can do anything.
Yes. See something more.
So when people
या
line में
बोलो.
लग सकते हैं जियो के सिम के लिए तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay, absolutely right.
Sir, Indians
हाँ बोलो.
do any jugaad.
I'm sorry, I think your voice is a bit breaking. Can you just repeat it?
Sir, India चलता ही जुगाड़ से.
जुगाड़ से. So we are a country which is considered to be a जुगाड़ू.
Necessity is the mother of all inventions.
Necessity is the mother of all inventions. And these are जुगाड़ू examples of how we find solutions to the problem. ये देखो. ये फटफटियों को मार्केट से बाहर कर देगा।
ट्रिपलिंग कर लेंगे इसके बाद।
We find low-cost solutions. By nature, we are very innovative. ये देखो,
Time saving.
I said now we have a concept of repair. हम किसी को छोड़ते नहीं हैं. We want to take the value we've talked about. We take the every benefit we can take out of the money which we spend the way we want it. ये देख लो, इसको देख के तो गैस वाले बाहर हो जाएंगे.
Okay.
So it says now that it tells us that, you know, consumers are pretty smart. And it's not that easy for you to win them because they're smart. They know what they're buying, how they're interacting. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse of, you know, what the consumer looks like. We will discuss this in detail when we start talking about the marketing in detail. But setting this background, now I want to discuss with you a particular well-known brand. जिसका आपने नाम सुना क्या? मतलब I'm sure ये आपकी पसंद होगी. Do you like this brand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Huh?
Yes, sir.
yes,
So what would you
sir.
like? So what would you like to share with about this brand? Whatever you know.
That they are for every occasion
Okay, good. What else?
and
Celebrating the moments.
Okay, what else?
Happiness means Cadbury.
Happiness means Cadbury. आपको तो पूरी वो नहीं याद है.
Gifts for a Valentine.
Gifts for Valentine. देखो उसको क्या याद आ गया. Good. What else?
Innovative advertising.
Dessert and meal.
Innovative.
A nice replacement for mithai.
Yes. Great. Good ideas. Yes, Tanisha, you want to say something?
Dessert for meal.
Huh?
We can use as a sweet. So,
they have
क्या
made
कह
sure
रहे
that they
थे?
target every customer bracket.
sir,
Okay.
खाने में इसका dessert की जगह पे use कर सकते हैं.
खाने में यूज अच्छा पराठा के साथ भी खा सकते हैं.
Yes, sir. Chocolate पराठा होता है.
और चॉकलेट पराठा ये देखो.
सर दिल्ली
People
में
have-
चॉकलेट समोसे भी मिलते हैं.
अरे बाप रे, अब देखो हाँ, ये
सर
तो
लावा
हमारे
केक कौन खाता है?
ये तो पूरी चॉकलेट का भंडार लगा के बैठे हुए. Great. You can see now very good ideas. Now what I want to talk to you about is that what you see of Cadbury today, how it has come about. Because the most interesting story of this brand is that जो आज आप देख रहे हो, it has gone through very tough struggles. And I just want to share with you the evolution, what journey Cadbury has gone through in India before it became what it is today, what it has gone through. Because Cadbury is one of the oldest brand of India. मतलब independence से पहले भी Cadbury India में थी. Since it was a British brand and Britishers India में they were ruling, so many British brands came, जैसे Unilever, Hindustan Lever, all these were there. So it's an old brand of 19th century. Today, it is a part of a company called Mondelez. Mondelez took over this company called Cadbury in 2010 earlier. So today it's part of this company. And today it is the second largest company of the world in confectionery. Probably Wrigley is the number one, and almost it is present in about 70,000 countries, 50 countries comprising of 70,000 employees. So they have a wide network and infrastructure. अब I'm sure ये सब आपको पता है मुंह में पानी भरा रहा होगा, लारे टपक रही होंगी, ठीक है। इंडिया की आज की मार्केट अबाउट चॉकलेट्स रफली टुडे, इट इज एस्टिमेटेड दैट इन इंडिया अबाउट 14,000 करोड़ की चॉकलेट की मार्केट, जिसमें कैडबरी हैज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50% market share. So it's a dominant brand of today. But in order to come to this stage, इस stage को पहुंचने के लिए, it had to do a lot of interesting things, a lot of hard work had to be done. How? We just go back to that. अगर आप देखो तो today what you are talking about chocolate market, as was said by many of you, chocolate samosa है, chocolate parantha है, chocolate ये है, and chocolate is becoming increasingly a part and parcel of our consumption or not? है ये नहीं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
as you can
Yes,
see,
sir.
correct. As you can see, इसमें कि हमारे यहाँ पे basic factors which is driving the eating of or consumption of chocolate is that we have got a very young population. आधी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन कितनी एज की है?
Above 30. Youth.
Above below 25, which is there.
Yes.
And today, because of your changes, what are taking place in your lifestyle, okay, then food addiction, eating different things, they all are giving encouragement to consumption of chocolates or not? There है नहीं there है?
Yes, sir.
There है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, as we go along, we see lot of consumption of chocolates happening today because of the way, as you described it, the way it is becoming increasingly part and parcel of our life. But when we see it, 50 years back, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ 1970-1975 की, मतलब after 25 years of independence of ours, somewhere in 80s, चॉकलेट की कंजम्पशन इंडिया में बहुत ही लो थी। क्यों लो थी? हाँ बोलो। Yes, go ahead.
People are
Because we
also
might have our traditional mithais.
Absolutely right. Great. What else?
people weren't familiar with the
Less advertisement.
Absolutely
Lack of
correct.
awareness.
So if yes, absolutely right. Anyone else? Absolutely. Primarily, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बोर्ड में लिखा हुआ है, chocolate was mainly consumed only by children. क्यों? क्योंकि चॉकलेट was seen as a product meant for बच्चों के लिए। कोई एडल्ट चॉकलेट खा ले तो पता क्या बोलते थे? अबे शर्म नहीं आती, बच्चे होके चॉकलेट खाते हो, बड़े हो, एग्जाम्पल सेट करो, दांत खराब हो जाएंगे वगैरह वगैरह। तुम खाओगे तो बच्चे क्या देखेंगे? ऐसे ताने टॉन्ट किया जाता था या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So adults could not consume chocolates. But now the problem in front of the brand manager of a Cadbury was कि यार इसकी सेल को कैसे बढ़ाया जाए, because अगर यही रहा तो कुछ होगा नहीं यार। So what they did is they carried out a research. जब उन्होंने रिसर्च की तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग डेटा निकल के आया, ध्यान से देखो। When they researched the adults ने पता क्या बोला? ऐसे है, एक बात सुन लो, बताना मत किसी को, मैं चॉकलेट खाता हूं लेकिन चुपचाप खाता हूं। I go to a shop at 3 बजे दोपहर को, जब सन्नाटा होता है, चॉकलेट लाता हूँ और सीधा टॉयलेट में जाता हूँ, जब जन्नत। अब इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? What is it?
Acceptable socially.
It is not social acceptable, but personally, do they like it or they don't like it?
Yes, yes, they like it.
They like it. So, हाँ बोलो। इसका मतलब है, may I request the person who's unmuted to kindly mute? Thank you. Please mute yourself. तो इसका मतलब है कि एडल्ट्स को पसंद है या नहीं है?
They do like it.
They like it, but पब्लिक में खाना क्या होगा?
They feel embarrassed.
हाँ,
सोशल एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है।
नहीं है। और कहाँ कंज्यूम की जा रही है?
टॉयलेट्स में,
Private places.
या पार्क में खाए, वहीं रैपर फेंक के आ गए, जय राम जी की। So now came the task which the brand manager of Cadbury understood is कि how do we make it a chocolate के बारे में जो नेगेटिविटी है लोगों की, उसको हम कैसे चेंज करें, and in order to do it, what should be done? क्या किया जाए?
Spread awareness.
So what they did is
advertisement.
So what they did is advertisements. So what they did is they did this, and I'll share with you and show you a video. Can you see this? The screen?
Yes,
The
sir.
video?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, see this. Is the sound audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कुछ खास है हम सभी में, कुछ बात है हम सभी में, बात है खास है, कुछ स्वाद है, क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी में।
कैडबरीज डेयरी मिल्क, असली स्वाद जिंदगी का।
So what did you observe here?
They targeted the young people.
Okay.
They
This is an
tried
ad
to-
of 90s. This is an ad which is 25 years old. हाँ बोलो.
Acquisition by target marketing.
And what you interestingly इसमें क्या चीज आपने observe की?
They just targeted the younger age group.
Absolutely right. Why did they target younger age groups?
They just showed that it's okay, like it's a sign of a good thing. Yeah, you can have chocolate, like between a girl and a boy. They just targeted them
Because this will be
to
the
their product.
upcoming older generation.
In order
Okay.
to break that stereotype, like that young people cannot have it. Yeah,
Absolutely right. Absolutely
Happiness of
right.
having chocolate.
Basically the social acceptance.
Absolutely right. So अब आप देखो कि firstly they decided to target young adults because कोई भी चीज नई चीज adults are of various age groups and कौन सा age group है जो इन चीजों को पहले try out करेगा? It's obviously the young age group. जैसे आप देख रहे थे age group जो दिखा रहे थे, they might be in their late 20s or maybe early 30s. And they thought this is the way they can start targeting and start changing the mindset of the younger customers first. So that is how this campaign came about, which started. Result, gradually the sales started picking up. There was a couple of campaigns of similar type, but जो central message उसमें था वो ये था कि we need to bring our negative mindset जो लोगों का शायद है या जो लोग खा रहे हैं private में, they can now start eating chocolates in a public, and it is a yes,
without feeling any shame.
Without feeling any shame, absolutely right. Now, when this happened, gradually, marketer का काम है, obviously, no company, no organization is happy. Every organization wants you to increase sales or not.
Yes, everybody wants that.
कभी उनका मुंह, will they be happy with sales, or they will always like to increase sales or?
They want to increase.
Always like to increase the sales.
Absolutely. So is there any limit to increase sales?
No.
No.
No. So as sales started increasing, now they said, should now we not start targeting even the older mindset? And let's target the older mindset. And in order to target the older mindset, they also had a person called the Amitabh Bachchan. Let's see this one.
So weren't he advertised for the worm controversy also?
Yes. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. You're right. Yeah, there was a warranty controversy. I'm coming on to that also. Your observation is pretty right, and which is there. Is it? You can hear the sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are very right. कि इसके बीच में क्या हुआ? एक accident हो गया. The accident was that Cadbury faced this problem of worms. उनकी पैकेजिंग में कई जगह पे जो प्रोडक्ट है उसमें worms पाए गए. तो क्राइसिस सिचुएशन आ गई. तो लोगों ने कहा कैडबरी की प्रोडक्ट हाइजीनिक है या नहीं, so sales started dropping a bit. And in order to build the credibility back of the Cadbury, they brought in this person called Amitabh Bachchan. क्योंकि अमिताभ बच्चन की जो इमेज है वो क्या है?
Brand image, everyone
Absolutely,
knows
brand
it.
image. So this Amitabh Bachchan was brought in to enhance the credibility and re-establish the credibility of the brand called, because Amitabh is considered to be a very trustworthy brand. So when Amitabh Bachchan came, फिर उन्होंने अपनी पैकेजिंग को चेंज किया. And when they brought in Amitabh Bachchan, they used him initially for building that credibility. But then they also realized that Amitabh Bachchan is like एक पंथ and दो काज. How?
as an old age.
Because of his age.
Yes,
भैया
let's see.
डेयरी मिल्क देना कुछ मीठा हो जाए। अरे भाई साहब पैसे तो पप्पू देगा। पैसे पप्पू देगा।
एक डेयरी मिल्क इधर मिली, पैसे पप्पू देगा।
ए भैया एक डेयरी मिल्क मुझे भी।
हाँ ये लो।
पैसे पप्पू देगा।
अरे पर बात क्या है?
पप्पू पास हो गया।
अपना पप्पू। अरे ये अपना पप्पू पास हो गया। ये पास हो गया। पप्पू पास हो गया। आजा बेटा आजा आजा। अरे क्या बात है मेरा पप्पू तो पास हो गया।
आखिर 12वीं पास हो ही गया।
शाबाश। ये ले कुछ मीठा हो जाए। कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क कुछ मीठा हो जाए। खा ले पैसे पप्पू देगा।
So, what you saw here in this case,
सर इसको हैप्पीनेस मूवमेंट के साथ इसको सेलिब्रेट करने का एक तरीका भी मतलब कैडबरी ने उसको ऑब्जर्व किया कि
good,
Sir, they changed the packaging also.
absolutely. But what you saw here,
चेंज द माइंडसेट ऑफ
सर
कस्टमर।
की
absolutely.
They just
यहाँ
showed
पे
that
अमिताभ बच्चन जैसा है ना, कैडबरी बेच रहा है और खुश है।
targeted.
So what is now the great? What else?
older people के लिए गए।
Absolutely right. तो वो
Sir,
जो
use as a celebration.
Absolutely right. अब क्या पर्पस है कि now I want to widen my audience. पहले young adults होते थे. Now I want older adults also to start consuming chocolates. That is what happened. So as was said, there is an occasion to eat a chocolate at that point of time. And therefore that was the main purpose of giving that chocolate. And this campaign, and incidentally, not only Cadbury recovered its old sales, जो वो ants की वजह से हुई थी, but sales even started increasing. Now, next stage. अभी तक हम चॉकलेट किस बारे में बात करते हैं?
डेयरी मिल्क
नॉर्मली खाने के
नहीं, किस बारे में बात करते हैं? जब चॉकलेट आप देख रहे थे, क्या कब बात हो रही थी?
Celebration.
कोई सेलिब्रेशन हो, खुशी हो, कोई वो हो, अच्छा पास हो गया, फेल हो गया, या शादी हो रही है, या ओकेजन है। तो अभी भी चॉकलेट जो थी, इट वाज स्टिल कंसिडर्ड टू बी एन ओकेजनल प्रोडक्ट। मतलब जब कोई ओकेजन हो, देन देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर यू टू कंज्यूम ए चॉकलेट। लेकिन कैडबरी क्या चाहती है? If you are a marketing head of Cadbury, what do you want?
I want
everyday
sales for chocolate
On
lovers.
regular
Completely
consumption
तो
of their product.
Everyday sales.
मैं तो चाहता हूँ तुम
Everyday
पढ़ा
consumption.
Absolutely, मैं चाहता हूँ तुम वो कैडबरी का जो तुम बता रहे थे समोसा और वो चॉकलेट या अचार या पता नहीं क्या क्या बना रहे, मालपूड़े बना रहे, खाओ फिर उनको। Because if हाँ जी बोलो, go ahead. Because if you do that, then chocolate consumption will become from occasional to
Regular.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And in order to now see, market brand का बंदा बड़ा सोच समझ के steps ले रहा है. And this only started in the mid of 2000s. When this whole thing came. And one of the things which Cadbury realized is what? Indians have got sweet tooth or a sour tooth?
Sweet tooth. Sweet tooth.
Sweet tooth.
हम मिठाई के गढ़ हैं या नहीं?
Yes sir.
Yes sir, we are.
बस बाजार में जाओ तो सारा हलवाई को लूटने का प्लान होता है या नहीं होता तुम्हें?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
देखो कईयों के मुंह में लारे टपक रही हैं कि आ जाए सामने मिठाई। So we are very fond of eating sweets. It's a big market. If I were to give you an idea of a sweet market, it is more than 1.5 crores of here. It's such a big market. जिसके अंदर, and we eat sweets regularly or not?
Yes.
Yes.
आप खाते हैं नहीं?
Yes sir. Sometimes.
Yes sir.
Sometime तो नहीं, आप कड़वा चाव थोड़ी रखते हो। स्वीट्स तो हमेशा इज इंट्रिंसिक पार्ट ऑफ योर food eating habits or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
everyone eats
Yes,
it even
sir.
after their dinner.
नहीं प्रत्यक्ष?
Yes, sir. Every time.
Every time. देखो चेहरे पे रौनक आई है लोगों के.
Everyone wants dessert.
They belong
So
from UP.
absolutely. तो हम स्वीट्स तो खाते हैं. अब हम क्या चाहते हैं? We want that the Cadbury should change from a occasional to regular. And उसके साथ साथ एक और भी चीजें हो रही है. You see what happens is मार्केटर हर चीज की रिसर्च करते हैं. What you're finding is आप मुझे बताओ in last 15-20 years have you been moving more towards the branded products or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Branded खाना, branded taxi, ओला,
Branded
हैं,
clothes.
पटपटिया में नहीं जाना, right on a branded clothes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, as a customer, आपकी aspirations क्या हो रही हैं?
Same
We're shifting
as
to luxurious
quality.
goods.
So Cadbury understands this. So what they just decided to do is, as a next step, they said, hey, we have to now ask the Indian consumer कि भैया Cadbury पे और खर्चा चलाओ और उसको उस पे लट्टू हो जाओ तो क्या करें? You should go and make the Cadbury consumption to become more regular or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what they did is, they said
Just innovation in the product.
just innovation in the product. What else?
Slowly
Basically,
targeted
on
marketing.
Valentine's
Gave users another reason to have it. Like
Okay.
कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
on Valentine days, they give a chocolate with hard pop-up, caramel chocolate, chocolate with extra size.
Expand their market.
Introduce totally new variety of.
Sir, they have got like as a tradition to give these sweets, means
Okay.
chocolate and all.
Okay.
Attracting the customers.
They introduced Cadbury
Okay.
celebration.
Okay.
They want their product in every occasion, in every moment.
Okay. So what they wanted was that the product should come to the consumer and the consumption of the chocolates should further enhance. And in order to make enhance the consumption of chocolates, they decided that they need to change the campaign. So what they did is they just show you. Can you hear it?
Sir, your screen is not shared.
मैं एक मिनट करूँ. I just share the screen with you. Can you now see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
खाने में क्या है?
करेला.
मीठे में क्या है? खाने के बाद मीठे में कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
Harry Potter Tao जी.
कैसा लगा सिद्धार्थ?
दीदी शर्ट देखा कितनी टाइट पहनता है. अपने आप को कुछ ज्यादा ही कूल समझता है. और एक्सेंट सुना? लंदन, न्यूयॉर्क, स्काई डाइविंग, साला फेंकू.
तुझे पसंद आया ना?
वो सिड है ना उसे.
सिड. सिड हाँ.
नए रिश्तों का शुभारंभ कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
So now came to a stage. क्या बोला था उस बीच में उसने?
खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
आज मीठे में
मीठे में
क्या है? क्यों बोला
मीठे में क्या है?
क्या है?
चेंज द पैटर्न ऑफ फूड सर, क्योंकि आप खाने के बाद लोग मीठा या दही खाते थे सर, उसके चलते वो चॉकलेट।
हमारे रेगुलर ईटिंग हैबिट में क्या होता है? वी ईट समथिंग मीठा, कुछ मीठा हो जाए या नहीं, घर में कहते हैं,
Yes, sir.
कहते हैं ना कि मीठा is a regular consumption of the Indian household or not?
यस सर।
Right? So now what you wanted to do was that Cadbury as a brand should go from occasional to
Regular necessity.
Absolutely. So when they use this term called or word or this sentence with "Aaj meethe mein kya hai?" Because this is the common phrase we use after food. अच्छा आज मीठे में क्या है या नहीं?
यस सर।
और जब भी कहीं मुंह मारो बर्फी भी खा लो इसकी जगह, कहीं बर्फी में मुंह मारो तो हम मारो। So gradually the Cadbury from occasional to a meetha, and we are reaching a stage where what we want to do today. See this one. What is being shown here? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
बाबू मोशाई की कुर्चिश इश
कैडबरी मीठा मीठा क्या डालने दिखा दिखा गोमजांटी बोलने नाका 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 मोमेंट मम्मा मैडबरी शिंदेची कैडबरी
सुड़ सुड़ नेरम नेली मुंद्रे इंजी मुनु बोट कलकी अय्या चॉकलेट बन गई खिचड़ी सुन नहीं लिया
एक पासे चुक्के ब्रुआ डिम्पी एक पासे चुक्के ब्रुआ डिम्पी हुड़ सारे चुकिए सानू की हाँ खान भैया पन्नू टैलेंट को सलामू कसमदार बिना रागी
हे स्ट्रॉबेरी ग्रेप बनाना सो मच फन ना 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 ना
हाँ मम्मा बनेगी कैडबरी
Cadbury.in पर जाओ, अपनी कैडबरी बनाओ। तो कौन बनाएगा हमारी अगली कैडबरी?
What did you see here?
So you can create some recipes with the Cadbury.
Their own Cadbury according to
Customized chocolates.
These are some of the most contemporary which is being now done. अगर आप जाओगे तो this is the ones which are being created as a campaigns by Cadbury. क्या करने की कोशिश हो क्या रही थी in this last campaign?
So new चीजें innovate कर सकते हैं आप Cadbury से.
So क्या आइडिया क्या था?
कस्टमर को इन्वॉल्व करना चाहते थे ब्रांड के साथ।
उसके दूसरे यूजर्स निकालना।
To bring product more in use.
Sir, you just said that it's your product. Make your own product with this.
उससे क्या होगा?
Basically, from Oreo biscuit,
The
we can
sales
make an
बढ़ेगी.
Oreo shake.
Increasing sales.
Customize करे थे sir.
Basically, they
customer
created
का taste
Cadbury
and
as a main
भी
ingredient.
पता चल जाएगा.
So what?
Eagerness among the public, Africans.
Good.
जानने का उत्सुकता है कि कैसे कैडबरी तैयार किया जाए सर, उस तरह उस चीज को यूज करके मतलब ब्रांड वैल्यू को भी क्रिएट किया जा सकता है।
Good. What else?
For like different flavors, तो उसके हिसाब से अपना अपना बनाना।
You just mentioned that Cadbury
अगर कस्टमर डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व होगा किसी प्रोडक्ट के साथ तो अपने आप सेल्स बढ़ेगी आई गेस।
Great.
Promotion and all.
Sir, different cultures थे, पंजाबी, South Indian.
Different religious and different cultures involving.
के साथ familiar करना सर।
सिंगल चीज से आप कितनी ज्यादा चीजें बना सकते हैं।
कमाल है, आप खाना
Basically, they are targeting
और अगर
everyone and
कस्टमर
every
को इन्वॉल्व
customer
करते हैं तो फिर
for
उन्हें
increasing their sales.
कस्टमर का भी इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा चॉकलेट में,
वाकई में आप
कैडबरी में।
वाकई हम लोग खाना खा के आए हो।
कस्टमर को
Absolutely. See the what absolutely you guys have hit the bullseye. आप देख रहे थे उसमें पंच लाइन क्या रही थी, क्रिएट योर ओन कैडबरी, एंड इट वाज टेलिंग भाई कैडबरी को अब इसको तुम जिस चीज में यूज करना चाहो अपनी डिश बनाओ। एंड डिड यू सी दैट हर एक कल्चर की अपनी डिश बनाई जा रही थी।
Yes, sir.
What it was trying to do?
Covering all the demographics, every caste.
Getting everyone to try their own
To
stuff.
bring Cadbury in your lifestyle as well as in your dishes.
And a Cadbury is being used as an ingredient or not for making something else.
Yes,
Making
sir.
Madbury.
Yes.
Main ingredient.
भाई आपने कोई बनाना है, कुछ आपने केक बनाना है, आपने कुछ और बनाना है, या आपने कोई मालपुड़ा बनाना है, आपने बर्फी बनानी है, if you want to use the Cadbury as one of the ingredients.
Yes.
And सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज इसमें क्या आई, ये भी it is not just like that they invested.
सर वो लोग अपने ब्रांड नेम को भी पॉपुलर करना चाह रहे थे, लाइक लास्ट में बरी बरी आ रहा था, so that customers remember that.
Absolutely, because they found out कि Indians बहुत fond हैं of eating snacking. हाथ में वो देखे नहीं कभी, नमकीन होते हैं, समोसे होते हैं, हम स्नैकिंग के शौकीन हैं या नहीं है?
We are also shocking.
Just between the lunch, dinner and these things. मंच करते रहते, कहीं ना कहीं मुंह मारते रहते हैं. And that is where this is. If you were to increase the sale of Cadbury, then Cadbury is not something just to be eaten as a chocolate. What can you make out of it? You can use it as an ingredient, and therefore then Cadbury become closer to your life or not?
Yes, sir.
तो ब्रांड तुम्हारे माइंड में ब्रांड याद है जो पहले बिल्कुल वो रहती है हर वक्त तुम्हारे माइंड में रहेगी या नहीं?
Generate the recall value of brand.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
So it becomes a very, very interesting thing of life that if you want to celebrate, you want to have fun, you want to sit with your friends and munch together. जैसे आपने कहा जी मालपुड़े हैं, परांठे हैं, अब मेरे को लगता है परांठे वाली गली की जगह चॉकलेट वाली गली आ जाएगी। आएगी नहीं आएगी? आएगी चार साहब? हाँ?
कुछ भी पॉसिबल है।
कुछ भी पॉसिबल है। So see now, this brand which was nowhere or very low in the consumer mind was able to create a better connect with the customer
And
in this
now-
period of loss. Yes, today it's the undisputed leader in the confectionery market of India. जो कैडबरी की सेल्स सिर्फ 200 करोड़ थी, आई थिंक इन द mid 60s, आज दैट ब्रांड हैज कम टू 14,000 करोड़. Are they happy?
Yes, sir. They are more than.
Yes, sir.
So.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
I don't think so.
No, they are not.
हाँ
They
बोलो
are still
बोलो
looking for more.
बोलो क्या they are looking for more? बताओ. What are they looking for more? What are they looking for more?
They are looking for more customer grabbing.
For increasing their sales, for more
increase in the sales.
They're looking for more.
Because of
more increase in sales.
They also introduce other varieties of chocolates.
सर अभी कुछ और तूफानी करना है.
Like they are not tying up with other products. Like they have introduced Cadbury Silk Oreo, so the people get a combination of two products at the same time.
So despite expanding the market from 200 crores to 14,000 crore, we have just touched the tip of the iceberg. The reason being, हमारी मिठाई मार्केट कितनी बड़ी है? It's over even 2 lakh crores. 2 लाख करोड़, एंड देयरफॉर उसमें चॉकलेट तो कुछ भी नहीं है बीबी, है?
No, sir.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, see now this figures. After ये सब कुछ करने के बाद भी, what is the average consumption of chocolate in India?
200 grams per year.
100 grams per year. What is the average consumption of chocolate in developed countries?
Don't know, sir.
It's over 5 kgs. जापान 5 किलो खाता है एक जब एवरेज जापानी, हम तो कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं क्या 5 किलो तो मिठाई हम शायद खा लेते हैं।
Yes, sir.
Therefore, if you were to further see the potential for a marketer of Cadbury to increase the sales, it is still very high. To increase the sale of Cadbury is still very high. Massive potential to increase the chocolate sale is there. And therefore, the challenge for the marketer is to further increase the sale of this from, अगर हम 200 ग्राम से यहाँ पे हैं, अगर हम 1 किलो हो जाएं, कितने टाइम्स सेल्स बढ़ेगी? 5 times. Just imagine what the market of our chocolates will become. What the market of chocolates will become. That tells you now why you will be required. Why you will be required? Because you have to further take the sale from 200 grams per year to how much?
5 kgs per year.
इसलिए we have still a long way to go. अभी दिल्ली बहुत दूर है. So guys, you all will be required by companies because our per capita consumption is still very, very low compared to what we can achieve. अगर हम 1 किलो भी हो जाएं तो हमारी देखो सेल कहाँ जाएगी. That tells us where the brand has challenges to. So even though Cadbury has done some very phenomenal achievements, it is still the potential to increase sales is further there, and therefore they require people like you and the PGDMs. ये इसको करता कौन है? आप ही लोग करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
That is why you people will be required. This is all the brainchild of the so-called MBAs. We do it. To come with this formal knowledge and training to be able to do it. This is all the work of people like you only who have done it. The professionals. So in these 2 years, which you are here, we will learn the skills. We will learn the mechanisms, how this is done and how it is carried out and how it will be carried out and what techniques will be required.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. How to change the taste of customers through products, sir?
How to?
It is possible through the marketing only.
सर कुछ हद तक चेंज पॉसिबल है, कुछ है, कुछ नहीं होगा. अब अगर मैं तेरे को बोलूं कि अब खुशी की बात है, पास हो गया, मुंह में मिर्ची डालेगा? डालेगा?
नहीं सर.
There are things which you can change quickly. There are things which will take some time to change. And at times, I'm sure I can tell you, there will be many couple of things you will not be able to change at all. We have all kind of people in the market today who will be of different types. Some very adaptable to change, some not. That is how it happens.
I want to ask you something, sir.
Sure.
Sir, how tobacco and industry just survive without showing any ads?
How?
Sir, how tobacco companies have just survived in this market without showing any ads, without informing anything?
Because it was addiction to
See, वो कहते हैं ना, जिसको सुट्टा पीना है वो पिएगा या नहीं पिएगा?
Yes, sir.
So it is not without ads in the sense the ads are not in the mass media. Yes, mass media ads are bad. But then what you see is that those companies also do a different kind of promotions at जैसे दुकानों के सामने लगा होता है, वो लगे होते हैं, and a lot of through word of mouth. Today, the biggest company called ITC has got the largest sales of cigarettes. And it's not that best part is, आप देख लो, अच्छा मुझे बताओ पेट्रोल की मार्केटिंग होती है?
No, sir. No.
फिर आप लेने जाते हो नहीं ले जाते हो?
It's a necessity because.
So there are things which the marketeers know that even if it is not done, people will come to buy certain things because of the sheer habit. There are different aspects depending upon कैसी brand है, which we will learn as we start through the formal process of this, when we go in the subject in detail.
So, and one thing, word of mouth is the strongest promotion technique.
Absolutely right. Yes, bilkul.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between marketing and sales promotion, sir?
Don't worry, we will come to this when we start doing it. We will come. जल्दी मत करो, अभी आज इतना ही डकार मार लो, कोई बात नहीं. We will talk about in detail when we come to it. इसके बारे में डिटेल में चर्चा होगी. आपको रजा के भेजेंगे. We will talk about it in detail. Don't worry. So, but sales is part of marketing. That's all I can say. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So,
anything else? Hello.
I have one question. Actually,
Yeah.
I have a manufacturing of socks or maybe a hosiery products. Actually, it's a basic products. I just want to make myself a brand, just like Adidas and all. Through which medium I can make it?
There are a variety of mediums too, depending upon the kind of product, the category. There are various medias to look at it. There are mass medias, there are social medias, and there are a variety of medias which are being looked at. A lot of people are using variety of social medias to do that.
So, but how we can promote socks with social media?
You can. There are ways, we will talk about it. There are today, if you go and see Amazon, how many suppliers are registered with Amazon?
But basically जो promotion होता है वो उनके जो main supplier है, just like Infosys जो उनका main supplier है वो उन्हीं की ज़्यादा sales होती है as compared to others.
Yes, there are a variety of ways. You can do it through your own ways, through the social media. You can use even the platforms of Amazon to do it, because Amazon provides you a big platform to do it. Amazon provides you a big platform to do it. There are a variety of ways to do it, which we will talk about in detail. This is what the subject is all about.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall I call it a day? I hope I was able to put across what a brand is and what are things going to come when we interact more on this subject in a fortnight from now. So I would like to thank all of you for giving a patient hearing Okay.
Thank
And
you,
I
sir.
hope all of you have a
Thank you
very
so much, sir.
exciting journey, a
Thank
very
you, sir.
fruitful stay of
Thank
2
you, sir.
years in
Thank you,
Ostema.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
And wish you
Thank you,
all the
sir.
very best. Keep yourself
Thank you,
safe.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy journey. Keep yourself
Thank you,
safe
sir.
For
and
today's
secure.
session, sir.
You too, sir.
रेगुलर का क्लासेस कब स्टार्ट होगी?
Thank you for the session, sir.
Thank you, and have a nice weekend.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Such a wonderful session. जैसे बोला गया ना, आज मिठाई में क्या है? Anybody who can say आज मिठाई में क्या है? मधुरिमा, you said something. आज मिठाई में क्या है? सेशन में क्या था? हितेश सर का, he is the marketing guru. Not audible. Anybody else? दोनों वर्ड यूज हुआ था, ओकेजनल एंड रेगुलर. यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस्ड. तो हितेश सर हमारा मार्केटिंग गुरु है. आज आपको ओकेजनल मिठाई मिला, आज के बाद आपको रेगुलर मिठाई मिलते रहेगा. सो and it's actually you had seen everything is nicely elaborated. Even you understood everything, and in future to come also you'll get such type of beautiful lessons from him. So thank you very much, sir. Aapko bhi, or our student also, those are sincerely participated and make the session very interesting. A lot of students participated. That is the beauty of the class. So nice. Thank you very much.